Morning, guys. Here we are again. Sun's not come up yet, but here we are. Everybody's waking up. Oh, Rocky the rooster strikes again this morning, and when he starts crowing, he's over there somewhere. Everybody wakes up. So sister's packing bags, and there's Nana, mother, over there doing their thing. There's the e-bike. Might actually get out on that today. We replaced it yesterday. Yeah, morning, Rocky. Yeah, we replaced it yesterday, so the white one is now a green one. Because when we took all the wrapping off it yesterday, we found a little bit of damage on the back corner where they'd strapped it down to the back of the pickup truck when they delivered it. So I phoned the lady up, and within maybe 4 hours she came and took the white one away, and she gave us a brand new one again. But they only had a choice between green and pink. It's a bit of a no-brainer really, guys, because you're not going to see a 6'3" Yorkshire foreigner riding around on a pink e-bike in the barangay village. It'd look a bit gay, wouldn't it, really? Let's just face it. If you're gay over here, you're called backler. If anybody was shouting backler, I'd probably get off and cheer them. That's life, I suppose. So yeah, green bike or pink bike. It had to be the green one, didn't it? We have bought it for Mum, but obviously I'm going to be using it for the next few weeks, and then I'll just hand her the keys. Sun's coming up. Morning, doggy. Here's the culprit. Noisiest rooster on the planet. 12 years old, Rocky the rooster. Morning, Rocky. How are you? Hey? You're nice. What a nice bird you are. But you're a bloody noisy one. Sister pumping water. Nana and other sister getting the kids ready. We've had a taxi turn up. Oh, I don't know. There's Mum's new e-bike, the green one. Modern technology. That's not the taxi, by the way. This is the taxi in the Philippines. This is a service bike. They're everywhere. Yes! If you order a taxi, this is what you get, guys. Literally a scooter with a roof on it for the driver, and a sidecar there where people can jump in. That's a service taxi. Hello in there. Where are you going? And this is where the passenger jumps in. Rocky's at it again. So this is a taxi in the Philippines. Everything gets thrown into these things. They're very inventive, the Filipinos. There we go, you see. Little roof rack on the back, and we can strap things. And then your driver sits on that. It's a little tiny scooter. That's how it rolls here, guys. Literally how it rolls. Oh, I don't know what we're going to do today. I've got no idea. Apparently we've got to go and get this scooter blessed by the local priest. It's a tradition over here in the Philippines. If you buy a new bike or a car or anything like that, you're better off taking it and having it blessed. Put some holy water on it, say a few words, and then apparently it's going to be good luck for when you're driving it. Yeah. Well, that's what we've got to do. That's what we've got to do, guys. And then we'll take it out.
2 hours later.
Hi guys, we're in the e-bike. Steep driving. Ego.
Morning.
And the farm.
first drive on an e-bike. Oh, there you go. There she is. Right at the side of Brother's bike. We're out with Ronnie this morning. Morning, Ronnie.
Morning.
And Ronnie's got the YouTube UK-PINAY t-shirt as well. Special edition. There are only 5 made. So we're at Mallig Public Market today. And we're going shopping with the girls. This is Mallig. Tricycles everywhere. We're in the market. Yeah, big calamansi. Really big. Wow. Loads of good food. Fried fish. Market day. All the bananas. Yeah, loads of bananas. Very nice. Heavy vegetable here. It's a big market.
What do you think now, market babe?
I like it, babe.
It's a market day.
Very nice. So much going on here. All the meat. Baboy. Lots of baboy. Good meat. Hello, sir. Hey. Good morning, sir. I'm good. Good, brother.
You want this? We cook butter,
Yes.
garlic.
Yes, please. I think it's either shrimp or...
950 ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is my friend in Mallig as well.
YouTube nila is kanon.
Oh, YouTube channel.
Yeah, YouTube channel. Okay.
UK-PINAY.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
From where are you? From where are you?
UK.
UK. Oh,
UK, sir.
my daughter and my son is there in UK.
Oh, UK.
Yeah.
We live in Derby. Derby. Uh-oh. Very good.
Good. I can meet you.
You too, sir. Have a good day.
You want some chicken?
All
babe?
right, thank you.
You want chicken?
Yes, we'll get some manok then. People here are so friendly, guys. Really love Filipinos. So manok. This is nice manok. Good fresh fish. Tilapia. Manok. It's still, the fish is still alive. It's so fresh. Hey, these are still breathing. These are so fresh. Still alive. Wow. You don't get any fresher than that, guys. But the chicken's not running around. Sort of legless at the moment. Really good place. Mallig Market. Market day today.
Yeah, it's big crowded later.
And everybody's asking where we're from. The most friendly people in the world. Pinoy. Time for vegetables. This is very fresh. Nice peppers. Potato, bok choy, carrots. Cebuana, sibuyas, garlic, big cucumbers. What is garlic in
Bawang.
bawang? Ginger. Come on, princess. Yes. Toys. Peekaboo was spotted toys over there. Hello, boss. Right. Lots of dried fish.
Look, it's different corn.
Right, have we ever seen sweet corn like this before, guys? This is different, it's multicoloured sweet corn. That's squash. Is that star fruit? The other one. Star fruit?
I don't know, but this is the English stuff. What I don't know. The sampalaya.
Campaloya.
Better gold.
This is a different type of market to what you get in the UK. So much life, very friendly people. The smells, the meat, chicken, manok, baboy, fruits, vegetables, fish. Everybody's selling, everything is so fresh. Very good, very healthy organic food. It's the best you're going to get. And we're in the provinces, we're in the countryside. When I say province, it means countryside, not city. So yeah, it's a real experience here, guys. Such a fresh market, so nice. One of the gentlemen that was talking to me earlier on, he's just invited me to his house. He lives near the police station. That was very kind of him as well. I was asking where I was from, and genuinely interested and genuinely friendly. You can't fault that, can you? And you wouldn't get that in England. This is so much of a better place to live, even though it's third world rather than first. The people here are first class. But the vegetables, these are like a flower.
Because it's squash flowers.
That's a squash flower, okay. Oh, yeah. So many. Squash flowers. Very well grown. So many different types of banana as well. Different types. In the UK we only see the normal yellow banana. There are so many different varieties here. I'm going to disappear for a minute and have a smoke, I think. Okay, I'll go and find Koya. So that's the market. So much going on. So many friendly people. Everything's starting to open up for the day. It's my little electric scooter. Looks strange, but it's a cheap way of getting around, guys. Right, let me have a quick fag break.
Now, from the market. What do you think, babe, the market?
Yeah, I like it, babe.
You like it?
This is a nippy little scooter.
Huh? Yes, straight down, babe. gonna love this e-bike.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Province life.
Huh?
Province life.
Yeah.
Had a nice message from my son Tom as well this morning. Yeah, it looks like he's enjoying himself. Well, Tom, we are. This is alive, son. And yes, I love you too. You're not being a dick.
Peekaboo, princess. Huh? Yeah. Hold it. Magkawag ka ah.
Finally made it back to Nonai's house. Well, it was good, to be honest. Well, there was a bit of rattling going on towards the end of the journey, but I found out what it is. It's literally just the mud guard that's loose. So I'll check the nuts and bolts out and we'll get that sorted out. But apart from that, it's all good. So as usual, even while I'm on holiday, guys, I still ended up fixing things. So I found the problem. When I take this off, you see in there, there's some brackets. And there's some Allen key heads here, 2 there, and 2 over there. They're just a bit loose, they just want tightening up. So I've just dropped the wheel out of the way and we're going to crack on with that. A little bit later, luckily brother had some tools and we're all fixed again. I did manage to put a little tiny scratch on it. This now is absolutely rock solid. That's going nowhere. And I checked the bearings. And I checked the bolts on the brakes as well. So, time for a quick test drive, I think.